Alright, today we'll be looking at how to express decimal fraction as a common fraction. Alright, and while changing it, the first thing we are going to do is to express the number as a fraction with a denominator which is a power of 10. Alright, so once we have expressed it, we are going to simplify it by reducing it to its lowest term. Alright, so expressing this, what we are going to do, we will know that this point has 1. Alright, so after this point, the numbers that comes after the point, they are zeros. Alright, what do I mean by that? Since our point is 1, 4 is 0 and 5 is 0. So what we now have is 45/100. Alright, so we are going to reduce it to its lowest term. So let's look for a factor of 45 and 100. We will notice that 5 can divide 45 and 5 can also divide 100. So we are dividing them by 5, 45/5 and 100/5. So when we divide this, we are going to get 9 over, when we divide this, we are going to get 20. Alright, so looking at this, there is no number again that can divide 9 and 20 without a remainder. Alright, so this now become our final answer for this particular one. So let's also express this one as a common factor. Still the same way, point has 1, this 0 will be 0 and 4 will be 0. So now have 4/100. Right? So let's send it to its lowest term. You will notice that 4 is a factor of 100. Alright, 4 can divide 100 without having a remainder. Alright, so let's go. Divide by 4, divide by 4. When we divide this, we have 1 all over. When we divide, first of all, let's divide 4 by, let's use 10 to divide 4. We are going to get 2 remainder 2. So we now have 20 to have 5. So we have reduced it to its lowest term, that is 1/25. Same thing with this, 9/20. So this is how to express decimals to fractions.